What's going on, guys? XSR Detroit here with another video for you. So a couple of days ago, something showed up at my house, something I've been waiting a couple months for, and I've been really excited to show you guys and really excited to put it on the bike, and it is very, very cool. So let's cut to the chase. Let me show you these carbon forged tank panels from RPM Carbon. Look at this. I feel like the camera isn't even doing them proper justice since they're on the glossy side, so it's kind of hard to pick up the detail, but they're just gorgeous. Last season, I was debating what I wanted to do with my tank panels because I was getting kind of bored with just the raw aluminum. I know that's like an iconic look with the XSR, but I was ready for something new, and I was thinking, am I going to vinyl wrap it? Am I going to have them powder coated? Am I going to have them painted? Like, what am I going to do with these tank panels? And I was shopping around and I found this company RPM. They do a lot of carbon fiber parts for a lot of different motorcycles, and they had like a couple of kind of regular carbon fiber styles as far as tank panels go for this bike, but then I saw this forged. I think a guy on Instagram, I've been talking to him, AJ XSR900, shout out to him, because when I saw these panels on his bike, I was completely sold, and I had to have them. So I ordered them in, I believe, early March, and it's late May they showed up. Now, RPM did tell me that they make each set of these individually for customers, so it's not something they have on hand. And they are shipping out from Thailand, so there's probably going to be a decent wait unless you're living in Thailand, but man, so worth it. I really hope this just shows the detail. It's such a cool look. It's very, very unique, and I like carbon fiber. Carbon fiber's cool, but at this point, carbon fiber is completely everywhere. Like, they have carbon fiber wallets, and just like, it's just, you know, it's cool. It's race car, right? It's, you know, think about how much faster my bike is going to be with these light carbon fiber panels, right? But this is just it's just such a unique design. I've never seen anything like it, and it's so cool. And I'm really excited to put them on the bike. Before I put them on the bike, I am going to put some tank grips on it, but that is going to be a separate video. Let me give you a quick overview on the tank panel itself. It's the same size and shape as the stock XSR tank panel. It doesn't come with a rubber grommet for the bottom, so you can just grab that off your stock tank panel or hit up Babbitt's. I'm sure they have it to replace, and very easy. It's direct bolt-on replacement, nothing fancy. It just looks insanely cool. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I'm really happy with how the panels look. Video and picture just don't do them justice. They look fantastic. Well worth the wait. If you're interested in these tank panels or other tank panels from RPM Carbon, look up their website. I'll post a link in the description for you guys to check out. They also have a bunch of other XSR parts that are really sick. But yeah, super happy with it. The bike just looks, it looks perfect now. You know, when I started putting parts on the bike, I wasn't really sure which direction I wanted to go as far as style or colors that I wanted to use as far as powder coat, but the bike just came together and I'm really happy. I think as far as cosmetic mods, I think I'm done. I think at this point I might dip into the suspension or buy another motorcycle. I'm not 100% sure, but of course I'll bring you guys along with me on this motorcycle journey that I'm on. And yeah, as always, thank you for checking out the content. If you like my content, subscribe. If you have any questions, sound off in the comments section. And yeah, ride fast, ride naked, wear your helmet, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.